Hello everyone, welcome back to the garage. So, today's project is going to be getting rid of the terrible workbench. My buddy Sid has a bunch of cabinets that he's getting rid of, and I'm going to make up a new super duper awesome workbench. So, pretty much it's clean all this up and remove everything you see in that whole area, and then build a new one. So I gotta clean, get all the junk out of there, and then prep. So yeah, that's it. Not a very fun one today, but still, projects. Hey, thanks for coming by, guys, and thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a good day, and stay tuned for more. I got a bunch of videos in the pipeline, and should be out soon. Thanks, guys. And let the fun begin. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to use this top until I can make another one, figure out what to do. But for right now, I got the legs off of it. I got to go through and clean up these cedar bits because this is tongue and groove. It's used all over the place. I got a couple of fixes, so this stuff's pretty rare for me. I need it. So I'm going to clean these up and do some more cleanup over there and move some more stuff. But yeah, next step will be getting cabinets in. So stay tuned for that. Woohoo! Should be lots of fun. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. Have a good day.